Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something a little private, especially when you're older. I want to talk to you about adult diapers or incontinence supplies. Now, you may say, well, I don't need that right now. I'm not that old. That's not happening to me. Are you planning on dying before you get that old? You never can tell when that's going to affect you. When all of a sudden you're going to have the problems of maintaining dryness. Just trying to be polite here on it. So think about it. Get some, you can afford it. Get supplies now. Put it away because those type of supplies don't go bad. So. And if you do have other family members that are older than you that don't need it yet, but you're planning on taking care of them, you may want to think about that as well. So remember, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure, especially when it comes to incontinence, all right? All right, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here. I'm going to put a playlist down here you'll be interested in. Another video over here, and then I'll put the link to my gardening channel, Camp Pet and Family Compound, up here.